Hey guys, today's not a normal video. Just gonna talk about a couple of things. I got an email a couple of days ago saying Sling was raising the kit prices, so I put in an order for the wings. Well, first off, here I am in beautiful Las Vegas. I've been based 2020 out east, Allentown, Grand Rapids most of the time. We furloughed some guys, so I got displaced out there. But now I'm back in Vegas. The build is in Utah, so I'm a little closer to the build. Hopefully I'll be able to put more time into building the plane. Back to the email. I got the email saying they're raising the prices on, I think I checked my email on the 9th of February. And then also in the email said Evan Bryan was a new dealer. I've been watching his YouTube channel. You should go check out his channel. He's got a good channel. Just finished his Sling, it's flying. So I gave Evan a call and tried to order the kit through him. He was such a brand new dealer, he didn't know how to order. I'm just ordering wings and the extended range tanks. And he didn't know how to order just a single kit. He only knew how to order the whole thing. So I called Barry and Torrance and got my order in. Let's kind of go over the price raises. Kind of frustrated they keep raising the prices so much, but I'll post the 2020 prices here in a picture so you can look at it and compare it against the new prices of 2021. The empennage kit pretty much stayed the same, $44.60. The wing kit last year was $16,070. It's gone up to $1750. That's an increase of $980. That's the one I ordered, as well as the long-range tanks, which they stayed the same, $3,500. Fuselage kit last year was $16,990. This year it's gone up to $18,130. That's an increase of $1,140. Undercarriage kit pretty much stayed the same, and the canopy kit stayed the same. The total price for all the kits has gone up $2,120. Some other keynote raises, the price of the Rotax, the firewall forward kit, and the Airmaster prop. Last year it was $55,895. This year it's $59,995. It's gone up $4,100. The external alternator, if you're looking at that, gone up $245, and the parachute cables in the canopy went up an additional $40. Other than that, the kit's pretty much stayed the same, but this is the second or third time they've raised the prices since I ordered the empennage kit in less than a year. Maybe the second time they've raised it in 1 year. So hopefully they don't keep raising the prices this much. Hopefully they find their little sweet spot and just kind of leave it there for guys that are planning their build and planning how much it'll take. I'm kind of ordering my kits one kit at a time, saving money for the next kit while I'm building that kit out, and then ordering the next kit. That's the way I'm able to do it. I wasn't able to just come up with money all at once, but as you can tell, I'm right underneath the final approach fix for 2/6 left here in Las Vegas. You can hear the airplanes flying over, but just wanted to talk about that a little bit, and guess we'll see you guys next week. We'll get back to building next week. Sorry about if you didn't like this video. The build videos will come out soon. I also just ordered a 360 cam. I have a Piper Tri-Pacer. I'm gonna start doing some flying videos with that Piper as well, and then once I get the Sling done, we'll do some Sling flying videos, and once the Sling's done, I'll probably sell that Tri-Pacer. Oh, looks like a VFN just came out. Overtime for me. All right, see you guys.